What?
Remember the she cut from here? It's fell down.
That's alright.
So from the top out there.
Yeah. So here we are back at the waterfall where I used to go swimming when I was younger. You know the wee lilo things you get to lie on in the swimming pools when you're on your holidays? Well, I used to go down here when I was about 10, without my mum and dad knowing obviously, and go down the waterfall on my wee lilo, and I'm just hoping he doesn't do it because it's quite dangerous. So, right, let's see how fast it's going. Right, go! Fast enough. Come on before you slip and fall. Down here. Travis. So, yep. And then we were down here. So we used to go from there on our lilos right the way down over them rocks and out and around, and then we used to get back up.
That's where we were?
We used to get back up and go and do it all over again down this way. Used to crawl up there.
We'll go back down through?
Nope. Used to get back up here and then walk up, back down, and do that all over again. Used to do that all day in the summertime. So we did. Don't think I would fancy doing it now because, well, I'm older and I think I'm a bit wiser. My mum and dad and my wife would tell you I'm not any wiser. I'm just the same.
I don't even know you are.
So I am. And we'll go and stand under these trees here for a couple of minutes because it's very wet. Oh, there we go. Hold that bag. Oh, my phone is soaking. So we're going to be going down that way and up home, and I'll have to love yous and leave yous because it's getting a bit cold. So say bye bye.
Bye.
Am I in? So, cheerio.
I just keep let's just keep down. That's up here.